What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a good day. It's currently Tuesday. We're headed to Tuesday night street drags at Brainerd Motorsports Park. It's been about 2 weeks since we've been able to make a video due to the first week being ankle issue with myself. Second week being due to all that crazy rain that we had that flooded I-24 and tore up part of the drag strip, ripped one of the awnings off the grandstands, stuff like that, took down some power lines and some trees. But hey, they said we're good to go for tonight. All the power's back up. So thankful that everyone was okay during all those storms. Glad that Brainerd was able to get everything set back up, and God bless them with people to come out there and help clean up. Anyways, I guess it's about time to head to Brainerd. So we'll catch you guys here in just a few minutes. Here we are, usual suspects, Brainerd Motorsports Park. Let's go. It's gonna be a good night. Looking forward to seeing everybody. I'm gonna get checked in, catch back up with y'all here in a second. All right, let's see who's down here. Running a little late. Who cares? Too hot to be out here anyways. Roman Johnson. There's quite a few people here. And of course. Yes, can I help you?
When I wave, you wave back.
How about no?
How about yes?
How about no?
If I wave, you wave.
No.
I wave, you wave.
No.
I wave, you wave, you wave, I wave.
Ah!
You wave, I wave, he wave, you wave.
I flipped everybody off.
We all wave. We all wave.
Hell yeah. Quite a few people out here.
Oh, hell yeah.
brake. That's Roman John. All right, guys, that's going to conclude tonight's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Didn't know until right at the end that Mike Finnegan was out here with his blasphemy drag car, or else I would have videoed a little more of that. I saw the car, it just didn't ring a bell with me. And yeah, anyways. So that was the very last clip that I took the video of. Mike, cool, you were out here. You never know who you're going to see out here. YouTubers, all kind of stuff. So, anyway, the next video, we are going to Jeep Invasion. That's this coming weekend. Gonna be staying up there for a little bit. Get y'all some good content. I know it's not our normal Cars and Coffee content, but hey, we've got a pretty good gap in between right now and the next Cars and Coffee here at the drag strip. So, also with that being said, don't forget next Tuesday is Tuesday Night Street Drag's Knockout Challenge. Go ahead and throw the flyer up right here. Basically the same concept, other than we're going to be racing for fastest time in each class. We got 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder trucks and bike classes. Fastest time of the night wins. Make sure if you want to participate, you let them know at the gate so they can mark your windshield properly. And once you make a pass, bring your time slip over to Thomas. He will be parked probably up here by the fence, and he'll get you taken care of. Our very next Cars and Coffee is on September 28th here at Brainerd Motorsports Park. We're going to be doing our regular roll racing. Gate opens at 9, Cars and Coffee is at 10. Roll racing starts at noon, and then we go until 3 p.m. It costs $10 flat for anybody who wants to race, spectate, whatever. If you want to spectate and you change your mind that you want to race, you just got to go up there and swap out your wristband for a tech card, get that filled out, and then you're good to go. And remember, we are the only, and I mean only, Cars and Coffee around here with a drag strip. Other than that, we are going to be going to several different places in between now and then to, other car events. We plan to go to Ford Fest and maybe LS Fest and a few others. We will be videoing, so make sure you're on the lookout for those videos. I think that's all I have to say for tonight. Had a fun time. Looking forward to next Tuesday. If you haven't already, get down there, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and make sure you turn that little notification bell on so you get all of our notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a good night, and we will catch you guys on the next one.